I am T. Shiva, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Business Systems at Tyagaraja College of Engineering. In part 2 of this series, Social Media Analytics Making Connections, we explore advanced concepts in social network intelligence, how connections evolve, and how marketers can predict the influences users' behavior based on network patterns. Let's begin. So, this is going to be the outline of the model. In this, we will cover various topics through various videos like influence diffusion, advanced centrality, temporal and dynamic network, multi-layer social graph, predictive modeling, sentiment layered over network, integrity and anomaly detection, platform algorithms, and practical marketing applications. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of how modern platforms think about networks and how brands can exploit these insights strategically. So this is going to be the progress of the course. In this video, we are going to see the overview of this part 2 chapter. In the next video, we will explore about a deep dive into social influence and diffusion. So this is the outline of the course. First we will see about the connections, social ties, social network analysis and organic traffics. Why connections matter? Connections are backbone of social media analytics. Every likes, follows, comments, tags, even a simple views create relationship footprint. These connections influence information flow, who see what, trust and credibility, amplification potential, identification of influencers, community formation. For marketers, understanding these patterns helps predict user behavior, identify high value nodes, and design strategies that scale organically. Social ties. Social ties are simply the relationship that exists between users. They can be person, it can be a friends or family, it can be professional, it can be a colleague or mentor. In community based, it can be a fans group, hashtag group. Interaction based, it can be likes, messages and comments. Each ties carries meaning. Some are strong, some are weak, but all plays a part in how information travels. Strong ties versus weak ties. You have seen about the strong ties versus weak ties in the last module. Strong ties are close, emotionally, meaningfully, and relationship. Weak ties, however, are acquaintance or distance contact. In social network theory, weak ties are often more powerful for spreading information. You may not talk to them daily, but they help you reach completely new communities. Weak ties and virality. Weak ties are bridges, connections between clusters that would otherwise remain isolated. For viral marketing, weak ties help content leap across communities. Trends escape from niche groups. Innovation spreads faster and campaigns gain momentum. Researchers have repeatedly shown that weak ties are essential for large scale diffusion. Affiliation. Affiliation refers to the group or identities users associate with. That is interest group, it can be a local communities, it can be a fan clusters, or it can be professional networks. A user's affiliation shapes everything from the content they consume to the product they trust. Platform detection of affiliation. Platforms today infer affiliation using liked post, shared content, hashtags, group membership, follows and unfollows, even participation. These signals help personalize recommendations and power tagged advertising system. Identity in digital networks. Digital identity is a mix of profile information, behavior, tone and language, visual style, connection patterns. Identity strongly influence credibility, visibility, and engagement. Identity signals. Posting frequency. Platforms evaluate identity signals such as posting frequency, sentiment trends, engagement consistency, repetitive or bot-like patterns. Analysts use these signals for detecting influencers, bots, spams, or emerging trends. Identity plus affiliation equal to community structure. When people share both identity and affiliation, communities form naturally. These communities become predictable in their interest, engagement, buying behavior. For marketers, these represents highly targetable segments. Introduction to social network analytics. Social network analytics is a mathematical approach to studying these relationship structures. It helps us answer who are influencers, how does information flow, which communities matter, where are bridges and bottlenecks. Social network analysis is now essential for every major marketing campaign. Elements of network graph. The core components of this network graphs are nodes. Users, brands, and products can be considered as nodes, and edges. Interaction or relationship among those can be considered as edges. Directions. It can be a one-way direction or it can be a mutual direction. Weight. The strength or frequency. A network graph transforms raw digital interaction into structured intelligence. SNA metrics. Key metrics include degree centrality, popularity, betweenness centrality, influence as a bridge. Closeness centrality means how quickly a node can reach others, and page rank means influence based on influence in neighbor. Together, this helps identify trendsetters, connectors, and gatekeepers. Community detection. Communities are clusters where interactions are dense. Algorithms likely modularity, label propagation, Griven-Newman help identify segments ideal for targeted campaigns, fraud analysis, or segment groups. Network analysis tools. The common tools for network analysis are GIPI, Visual Exploration, NetworkX, Computational Modeling, Network Excel, Simple Excel based Keystoscope, Advanced Attribute Rich Visualization. These allow even complex networks to be easily analyzed. Software network analysis in marketing. Marketers use software network analysis to identify organic influencers, track word of mouth spread, map sentiment clusters, predict virality, detect early signal of trends. Software network analytics provides both strategic insights and operational influences and operational intelligence. Viral marketing. Viral marketing leverages users to user sharing. The factors that drive viral content include emotional triggers, identity expression, shareability, network structures, influencer involvement. Weak ties accelerate the viral curve. The viral loop. The viral loop follows four stages: discovery, engagement, sharing, re engagement. Platforms optimize content recommendations to feed the loop continuously. Diffusion models. Three key diffusion frameworks: threshold models, epidemic models, cascade models. Threshold models means people adapt when enough friends do. Epidemic models, content spreads like inflation. Cascade models, multi-step forwarding. These models allow platform to predict and promote potential viral hits. Organic traffic. Organic traffic comes from shares, search results, recommendations, community interactions. It is highly trusted and shareable. Organic versus paid traffic. Organic traffic is free and long term. It builds relationship. Paid traffic is fast and targeted. It expensive over time. Marketers need a balanced strategy to balance between this organic and paid traffic. When to use organic versus paid? Use organic for long-term engagement and community building, and we can use paid for launches, urgent campaigns, rapid audience expansion. Combination of SNA virality and organic growth. Marketers combine network intelligence to predict tools, identify high value communities, personalize content, reduce ad spend, and improve engagement strategies. This integrates approach amplifies impact. Case study: viral challenge. Typical viral challenge journey begins in a niche group. Influencer amplify, weak ties connect clusters, cross-platform spread, organic traffic skyrockets. These showcases how networks truly drives virality. So some of the key takeaways from this video is: social ties drive information flow. Identity and affiliation shapes community. SNA reveals influence structure. Weak ties engage virality. Organic growth offers long-term value. This concludes the core concept of part 2. So this is the progress of this video. We have seen the overview of this particular module. In the next video, we will see about a deep dive into social influence and diffusion. If you have any queries, feel free to contact me. Thank you. Happy learning.